There we go. Hey. Hi. Welcome back. Day 27 of our daily UI challenge. I'm going to spend the next hour, give or take, designing just a single screen for iOS. Just some app ideas that come into my head during the day. Not necessarily a unique app idea, but just an app idea. The concept here is just to design with our gut. Don't think about something too much. Just try to get something on screen, something unique, something different maybe. And just design. That's why we're here, right? So I'm going to jump into my idea board, my Notion list, and I figured today, a lot of designers have done this in the past before, but I'm going to do a movie info and ticket screen. So just something that shows me the details of a movie, the trailer, the cover, some information about it, where it's playing, and I can buy tickets right there. I can pick a time and day and buy tickets right there. I came up with this one 5 minutes ago. So let's see where this takes us. Let's see what new movies are playing right now. New movies. And obviously no one's going to the movies right now, but who cares? We'll fake it. What about Soul? That's popular, right? Soul's good. So what we'll do is Soul movie poster. Let's grab a poster of it. Great. Grab the poster, and then we'll need maybe a screenshot of the trailer. It's a little small. There we go. Screenshot of the trailer. Oh, that's not. Maybe something without. There we go. That's a good trailer screenshot, I think. And we're gonna get some info on the movie. Oops. Oh, it's on the left over here. Interesting. Okay. So let's duplicate yesterday's project. There we go. And let's get in some info here. There we go. And this is 27 movie info. Okay. So let's get the poster in here, and let's get our trailer. I have to admit, full disclosure, I've done a layout like this before for a project I have in development right now. But let's still get into it. I haven't done it for iOS. I haven't done it for Soul. So let's see where this takes us. So we want like a trailer, or get these in here. All right, so we've got a trailer and movie poster. And this is for Soul. What kind of font should we be using today? I would like to do something different, but doing something different is scary sometimes, you know? It's just so easy to rest on your laurels and do something simple. So let's see if we can tweak it out a little bit. You know, I don't want to just pick a sans serif and be done with it. What if we just did a serif and found out what grouped well with a serif? So let's go up to categories and okay. I'm gonna use a font I've never used. So let's find a font I haven't used before. Old Standard. Let's see if I have that. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Good. I don't have many weights with it. Sorry about that. All right. Spectral. What about Spectral? How's Spectral look? Let's try it. Let's try Spectral out. Okay, so here's some info on the movie. All right, we got a good amount of weights with this. That's good. And it was PG. What does a PG look like? Rating PG logo. There we go. Cool. And okay. It's an interesting layout. Let's get some popping shadows on this poster here. If you remember what we've done in the past, I think we can do that again today, where we duplicate it, inset it, duplicate the layer that we want a shadow on, inset it a little bit, and then put a shadow on that one. And it gives just a little bit of a unique, different type of shadow. A little bit harsh there. Can sometimes make it a little more organic. We can of course put a shadow on the poster itself, but under it we know that the rising up shadow. So that's interesting. Let's put another one that's a little less invasive. So, and you know what the trend is? I haven't talked about this in a while. The trend is to make your shadows in the color of the stuff. Like it's supposed to look like glass, right? It's supposed to, you know, it's not just a shadow from a solid object. It's transparent. So people have started making them look, you know, blue or something like this. I don't know how I really feel about it. But get this purple here and we'll fade it out. Something like that, maybe. Real subtle, but it looks okay. We'll group that up and what if we did something like that, like it's sitting over the and then we could put even like a drop shadow that's going upwards on it, so it makes it, just gives it a little more. Yeah, maybe not. Scratch that. That's fine. Alright, so soul, it's a little bit large there. Bring it down a bit. Okay. What else does Google tell us about our movie? Oh, let's see what else goes with this font we picked. What do we pick? Spectral. let's go with Spectral here. Rubik. Okay, I've never used that before. Work sands. Interesting. Alright, we'll try Rubik for a body, so let's just see what happens with these. Okay. It's okay, it's kind of a boring, I think, but it works. It's gonna work today. Let's make this a value of 8. You know me and my 8-point grids. Gotta have them. Go. And what if what could we do to pull in the colors of this poster? Obviously we could just tint some of the text. Give it like a purple vibe. Okay, so this is the trailer, right? Trailer's gonna need a play button. And I think we put it like a little fill over this. Like that. And we can put a little play button on top, maybe. Whoop. Okay. So what else do we need to know about the movie? We need to know about the overview of it. So maybe right here we can do, oh, I like this, okay. A little more spacing on that. So if these were grouped together, make them 8 points. All right, so that's the. I don't think we need to be blatant about like this is the description. I think just being there is fine. Okay. And I think we could. Go ahead and grab our header. our iOS default header, and let's change it up to be maybe search. Maybe let's reset all the overrides here. Maybe we could do a dark mode. Let's play with dark mode. Let's just go there. Let's go there today. No, you know what? I wanna color. I wanna style it a little bit. So I'm gonna go with the default. Yeah, like that. And I'll just move the details. And maybe this is search. Okay, great. And what's some other info that we need? Movie title, cover, rating, trailer, length. All right, so a little more info we need here. Okay, so where it's available, maybe the cast. Let me put the cast here. Cast. And oh, Tina Fey. Okay. Let me grab some of these photos. All right, so we'll get a couple actors in here, and you know what? Let's skip the actors for now, and get to where it's available. Play nearby. At the and then what if we had a button that says choose, oops. And do one of these. stroke like that. Go. So if we put put everything in a frame the selection, and we're gonna wanna, so this will be a scrolling. I'll be right back. I'm sorry, hold on. Sorry about that, everybody. Every one person watching, sorry about that. All right, I can focus now. A little bit distracted. Okay, this is playing nearby at the okay, so what we're talking about is this is going to be scroll content. So what we need to do is I need, and then like, what if we did like, and we'll grab this type, put it here. So I need 2 tickets, and I can tap that and it would like open up a fly out thing. What if we put like a little, we don't have a button color yet. Do something temporarily like that. So I need 2 tickets. Playing nearby at blah 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 blah. I need 2 tickets. This doesn't make sense, but maybe something a little bit bigger. I'm wondering if this whole thing should be in like a frame. This. It'll all be inside this, which is in here at the bottom. Call this location. I need 2 tickets. On. Yeah, you see. You know what? You know what app did this? Title. Oh. So I remember about 5 years ago, 6 years ago, I saw something that on Tidal where it's like you build a sentence to pick the type of music that you want to listen to. I am a rocker and I'm interested in, and I'm feeling moody, and like you pick from a bunch of different drop downs, and you like build a sentence and then it would pick music for you. So let's do something like this. I need 2 tickets on December 27th, of course. At 4:35 p.m. 7:35 p.m. Right? So like we can group these guys, and you already group these. Great. So now you can like build a sentence. That's fun. Let's get a line break in here. I mean, who doesn't like line breaks? All right. Like that, and then what if we put a shadow on that too? What if we I think what we could do is something like this. I think I need to mask it out. So if I do one of these, put a mask here, mask this. Oh, does it not mask? It's okay. What we can do is we can take this and we can put a frame around it, I think. Yeah, so we got a frame around it, and we can clip the content and only. Okay. That doesn't work. Oh wait, wait, wait. Hold on. I want to just put a shadow on this, so what if I just do this? There we go. Oh, this is a hack. Don't ever do this. Yay. Maybe a circle. And then we can extend that a little bit more. Oh yeah, something like that. That kind of works. And we'll fade this guy out just to be like something. Okay. This is a little bit of a played out style, but we're gonna try it today. How could we improve it? Good question. Fade out this shadow a little bit more. Maybe make it bigger and out of the way a bit. All right. Where were we? We're scrolling our content up. Play nearby at the Paradisimo Cinema 14. I'm gonna grab one of these buttons we did yesterday. I'm gonna plop it in here because it worked out well. Kind of like you're just like cheating, basically cheating. Like there's gonna be other buttons in here. Change your cinema, change your locate. Change your cinema, map these cinemas, things like that. Play nearby. I mean, 2 tickets on December 27th at this date. Okay. And then, did I delete my button? Put that back. Okay. Yeah. Yep. You know what would be better? Be a better call to action is if this was actually stuck to our footer. And even more than that, here we go. If this was a yeah, let me get rid of this. Search failed. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I feel like this would be a modal, right? uh, off of like the movie search results. I tap this, it would open an iOS modal. That makes a lot more sense now. Yes. And let's really let me beef up this a little bit. And why don't we put like a, yeah, put this around it. What? Excuse me. All of our content should be in here. Great. Okay. So we've got our button, and we want this button to sync. You know what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna, oh yeah, we're gonna grab the same thing we did for our poster up top. If I can find it. Top. Ooh. That was really good. You need to see that? It's kind of subtle, but it's got a nice glow to it, I guess. I will admit, it's got a nice glow. And maybe this is, it's a nice green. This actually be this purple color, right? Yes. Okay. All right, we're 40 minutes in. We've got time to do a few more things. So we want these to actually be grouped and have a fixed position when scrolling. Same as this. Is that vertical scrolls? What is that? Oh, that's our... Go. Okay. And we'll just fade this a bit and give us, just because I like to abuse this blurred background technique, We'll just set it to blur the background here, so when stuff scrolls through, we can probably do something now. Let's see. See how this preview looks. Okay, so things are offset just a bit. Things just got weird. Okay. There we go. Got a little black spot at the bottom there, but and we don't need this here. So we're looking at movie details for Soul, and we've got a description there. We got some idea. You can play the trailer. It's playing nearby. Good news. At the Paradisimo, Cinema 14. Cool. See what happens with this. There we go. Alright, so we're in a modal. We're in iOS 14 modal here. Got a trailer, got a description, playing nearby. Some info to purchase some tickets. Great. Cool. What else do we need? Talked about characters earlier, right? So what we need to get this line break. This guy. Down here. And I'll just do one of these. Maybe one of these. Somebody turn my snapping off, it feels like. I've never had it turned off, so I don't know how to turn it back on. Oh, it's on, okay, alright. Make sure everything's a value of 8 there. So if we group this and turn it into a component, get 5 going on there. Auto layout those guys. Spread them out. Turn this into a horizontal scroller. Now we can do it. Let me shrink this back down. And move this over here. And set the padding around it to be 8. Now we can scroll through. Bing, 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 bing. And if you remember from previous days, we can go to File, Place Image, grab these 5 guys, put them right in here. Paste it in there. There we go. So, I need to get some names going down here. Oh, let me copy and paste these. Come on, you guys. There we go, and this is a bad stroke, so we will fix that. There we go, what does that give us? There we go, look at that. There's our cast. Scroll through, play nearby, and we lost our background. Go. Stretch our background out, give us a nice enough room to scroll through things. Too much. Look at that. Okay, we are done. Calling it a day from daily exercise number 27. We are 49 minutes in. Movie info. So what we've done is a single screen for movie details and to buy movie tickets. Even though Soul is only playing on Disney Plus, let's pretend it's in the theaters. So I have a trailer, have the movie poster, the name, the rating, a few details about it, the description, where it's playing, and we can buy tickets in a nice little fun format here. Nice sentence building format, a la title like we talked about, and a cast. Just some primary characters right up here. Obviously there's a ton more info we could do on here. Not a lot of branded, this isn't a very branded app. We have that purple, which I pulled from the poster, and a little bit of a mint there. But that's it, we're done for day 27. Remember, this Figma file is available in the description of the video. Grab it, take it, do whatever you want with it, sell all of these designs, I don't care. Yeah, 27. We'll be back tomorrow for number 28. Thanks for watching. Bye.